Good morning. Let us move to the next article. The next article is boil temperature. In the last lecture, we studied behavior of gases at high pressure. Kaons derived one empirical formula for the gases using the experiments performed by Andrews, Amagat's, Holborn, etc. The empirical formula derived for gases by kaons is given by, as you know, PV is equal to A plus BP plus Cp square plus dP cube and so on. Equation number 1. This is the empirical formula derived by kaons for real gases. This is empirical formula derived by kaons for real gases using the experiments performed by Andrews, Amagat's, Holborn's, etc. etc. We know importance of this equation. A, B, C, D, etc. are the constants of a gas. These constants will be significant at high temperature. These constants will be significant at high temperature. These constants will be less significant at low temperature. At low temperature, the constants such as C, D, etc. may be ignored because of their less significance. We know one thing. At boil temperature, we have B is equal to 0 at boil temperature. Let us call this as Tb. When a temperature T is smaller than Tb, B is negative, and when T greater than Tb, B is positive. Out of the virial coefficients A, B, C, D, A is corresponding to RT. A is corresponding to RT. The virial coefficients A, B, C, D are important. B is more important because the term B in the empirical equation of gases decides behavior of gases at various pressures. B has 3 values. At boil temperature, Tb value of B is 0. For temperature smaller than boil temperature, B is negative. For temperatures greater than boil temperature, B is positive. And the remaining C, D, etc. can be simply ignored. And therefore, at boil temperature, we can write PV is equal to A, B is 0, C and D are ignorably small, so they ignored. PV is equal to A plus B, B is 0, and therefore we have PV is equal to A. In other words, B is equal to 0 is d by dt of PV. B is equal to 0 is nothing but d by dt of PV. Let us try to find expression for the boil temperature with the help of equation 1 and van der Waals equation. What is van der Waals equation? Van der Waals equation is this. Van der Waals equation is applied to gases for correction of pressure and volume. That equation is P plus A divided by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. Let us simplify this. P into V, PV plus minus PB plus A by V square into V, A by V minus AB by V square is equal to RT, or we may put this equation further as PV is equal to PB minus A by V minus AB by V square plus RT, equation number 2. We know that at boil temperature B0, remaining C and D are also 0, and we have only this equation PV is equal to A is equal to RT, and therefore we may further write this equation as 1 by V is equal to, V sent to this side, P divided by RT, equation number 3. 1 by V is here, 1 by V square is here. For these, let us put this value here. So this equation will further become PV is equal to PB as it is minus P one by V, minus A by RT into P minus AB by RT square into P square plus RT. RT. Equation number 4. Let us further simplify equation 4. PV is equal to A is here, A is here. If this P is taken out, what will happen? We will get B minus A divided by R B minus A divided by RT into P. P taken common from this, so it will be B minus A by RT. Here, what to do? Minus AB by RT. If this RT is taken here, what will happen? If RT taken common, RT will be equal to PV. It is not going to help. RT. A is RT, we shall put this simply as A. PV is equal to A plus RT is A. This one minus AB by RT square into P square, equation number 5. Now, let us compare equations 1 and 5. PV, A get cancelled, B times P, so B will be equal to this. So, from equation 1 and 5, B is equal to small b minus A divided by RT, and this is C equal to minus AB divided by RT square. Let us write this as equation number 6, this as equation number 7. Out of these, we are interested in equation 6 only. Why we are interested in equation 6 only? Because B is 0 when the temperature is equal to boil temperature. Yes, our video is on. As we are interested in equation 6, let us go to equation 6. Equation 6 reduces to 0 is equal to B minus A divided by RT at T is equal to TB. So, let us write this T as TB. What is this TB? Boil temperature. When temperature T is equal to boil temperature, B is 0, and therefore for T is equal to TB, equation 6 can be written as 0 is equal to B minus A by RTB. This is nothing but A by RTB is equal to B, or I may further write this as TB is equal to TB taken to this side, B taken to this side. It will be A divided by RB, equation number 8. So, TB is equal to A divided by RB. This is expression for boil temperature. TB is equal to A divided by RB. We know R. What is R? it is gas constant. A and B are constants, but A and B are constants, different constants for different gases. Values of constants A and B are different for different gases. Values of A and B are different for different constants. It means that boil temperature TB is not same for all gases. Boil temperature TB is function of A and B. R is gas constant. This capital R is same for all gases. But constants A and B are not same for all gases. A and B are different for different gases. And therefore TB is not same for all gases. Boil temperature is not same for all gases. Boil temperature is different for different gases. Boil temperature is different for different gases. How is the behavior of gases with a reference to boil temperature? We can have one small figure here for that purpose. This is corresponding to pressure. This is corresponding to the product PV at various constant temperatures. This is corresponding to TB. This is corresponding to T greater than TB. This is corresponding to T less than TB. So this is TB, this is less than TB, this is greater than TB. This type of behavior is obtained at a temperature more than boil temperature. This behavior is seen at boil temperature. This behavior is seen at temperature smaller than boil temperature. Let us see behavior of gases at these three different values. When we consider a temperature higher than boil temperature, what will be value of B? This B will not be 0. Just before some time I have shown you values of B. B is negative for temperature less than boil temperature, B is 0 at boil temperature, B is positive at a temperature higher than boil temperature. If we talk a gas, if we discuss behavior of a gas at temperatures more than boil temperature, value of B is positive. As value of B is positive, what will happen? As P is increasing, this value will increase, and therefore what we find, the product PV is increasing continuously with increase of pressure P at constant temperature, which is more than boil temperature. This is ideal behavior of real gases, and here we don't see the intermolecular interactions, intermolecular forces or molecular interaction of the gas between the gas molecules at higher temperature, and therefore behavior of gases will be of this type when T greater than TB. Here when T is equal to TB, B is 0. As B is 0, what will happen? The product PV remains constant, because this AT is what? RT. Temperature T is held constant. B is 0. R is constant. T is constant. PV remains constant appreciably when you increase the pressure, and therefore we don't find any change in the behavior of the isothermal at boil temperature. because at boil temperature B is 0 and there is no increase or decrease in the value PV of the given gas. So this is the temperature. Boil temperature is the temperature where a gas does not show increase or decrease in the value of PV, where the product PV of the gas will remain constant. That temperature is what the boil temperature. So at boil temperature, the behavior of gas is such that it does not show increase or decrease in the value of PV with increase of pressure. Then if we see the behavior of the gas at a temperature smaller than boil temperature, what we find? B is negative for a temperature smaller than boil temperature, and therefore what will happen? PV will start decreasing as P is increased. It reaches to certain minimum value. After this minimum value, PV starts increasing with increase of the pressure P. This is happening because of negative value of the variable constant B below boil temperature. So expression for boil temperature is this: TB is equal to A divided by R into B. A and B are constants. These constants are different for different gases, and therefore this boil temperature is also different for different gases. It is not same for all gases, and this is how the behavior of gases at a temperature above boil temperature, at a temperature equal to boil temperature, at a temperature lower than boil temperature. And therefore we can define boil temperature as a temperature where a gas does not show increase or decrease in the value of PV with increase in pressure of that gas. This is about boil temperature. This whole is mathematical, and you should remember two formulas for that. The general empirical formula for a gas derived by K ohms, and after that you must know the Van der Waals formula for a gas. Using these two, we can derive the expression for the boil temperature, and we can also discuss how is the behavior of a gas above boil temperature, below boil temperature, and at boil temperature. And the boil temperature is different for different gases because constants A and B are different for different gases. This is about boil temperature. Hope you got it. Thank you.